Human eyes can detect and discriminate an assortment of stimuli, which includes objects, colors, and patterns. However, our vision through the eyes is limited. Our eyes cannot see clearly distant objects such as the stars or very small elements such as molecules. Our power of vision is further reduced by visual defects such as short-sightedness, long-sightedness, and astigmatism. However, thanks to modern technology, various optical instruments are invented to help us overcome these limitations. Can you name some of these optical instruments? At the end of this lesson, you should be able to relate various types of optical instruments to their contributions to mankind. Not all of us are born with normal vision. Some of us suffer from short-sightedness, long-sightedness, or astigmatism. In order to overcome these visual defects, glasses and contact lenses are used. Short-sightedness occurs when the image is formed in front of the retina. Distant images appear blurred while near objects can be seen clearly. To correct short-sightedness, glasses with concave lens is used. Drag the concave lens to the front of the eye to observe what happens. The image is formed on the retina when a concave lens is used. Long-sightedness occurs when the image is formed at the back of the retina. Image that is near appear blurred while distant objects can be seen clearly. To correct long-sightedness, glasses with convex lens is used. Drag the convex lens to the front of the eye and observe what happens. The image is formed on the retina when a convex lens is used. Astigmatism is caused by uneven curvature of the cornea. A person with astigmatism will see one object as multiple images. It is a condition that causes light ray to strike the retina at more than one place. As a result, the image formed is blurred. Astigmatism can be corrected by using toric lens. These lenses have a variable edge profile that is thinner in some places and thicker in others. Thus, they have two different power curves. Drag the toric lens to the front of the eye and observe what happens. By using a toric lens, astigmatism can be corrected. We have seen how special optical lenses can overcome our visual defects. What about optical instruments that extend our visual abilities? Can you name some of these instruments and how they help to overcome our limitation of vision? The picture shows two instruments that extend our abilities to see distant objects. Mouse over the instruments to learn their names. What is the difference between the two optical instruments? Click on the answer button to find out. The binocular allows us to see distant terrestrial objects, which are objects on the surface of the Earth. The telescope allows us to see distant celestial objects like the moon, the stars, and the planets. We have learned about optical instruments that allow us to see distant objects. The picture shows an optical instrument that can extend our ability to see very small objects that cannot be seen by the human eye. Mouse over the optical instrument to learn its name. Can you state the importance of this optical instrument? Click the answer button to find out. The light microscope is a very important optical instrument used in medical science and biology. It extends the power of our vision to see very small microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. By being able to see these microorganisms, we can learn more about them and their importance. Also, by knowing more about microorganisms, we can prevent dangerous diseases caused by them and find a cure. In this way, a lot of human lives can be saved. The picture shows an electron microscope. It is used to magnify objects that are far too small to be seen even by the light microscope. Light microscopes use a series of glass lenses to bend light waves and create a magnified image, whereas the electron microscope magnifies the images by using electrons' flow instead of light waves. Electron microscopy is a technique for obtaining high-quality images of biological and non-biological specimens. It is used in biomedical research to investigate the detailed structures of tissues, cells, organelles, and macromolecular complexes. It can be used to see and take pictures of viruses. This allows medical researchers to learn more about this microbe and thus preventing diseases that are caused by them. Match the following optical instrument to their users by clicking the red dots and dragging the line to match the green dots. Click the check button to check your answer.
Your answer is correct.
Click on the correct answer. Which of the following optical instruments extend our ability to see distant objects? 1. Microscope, 2. Telescope, 3. Binocular, 4. Spectacles.
Your answer is correct.
A person who is short-sighted, A. Cannot see objects that are far, B. Cannot see objects that are near, C. Can see near objects clearly but not objects that are far, D. Can see far objects clearly but not objects that are near.
Your answer is correct.
Which of the following statements are true about electron microscope? 1. It magnifies image by using electron flow. 2. It contributes to medical research. 3. It produces the same quality of image as light microscope.
Your answer is correct.
Astigmatism can be corrected by A. Toric lens, B. Bifocals, C. Convex lens, D. Concave lens.
Your answer is correct.
Which statement about the optical instrument is incorrect? A. Correct eye defects. B. Extend our limitation of sight. C. Extend the capability of our vision. D. Enables us to see things that are invisible.
Your answer is correct.
In this lesson, we learnt that our vision is limited as we cannot see very distant objects or very small objects. Visual defects like short-sightedness, long-sightedness, and astigmatism further reduce our power of vision. Special optical instruments are needed to enhance or extend our visual capabilities. The invention of various types of optical instruments has helped to overcome our limitation of vision. In conclusion, the invention of various optical instruments has benefited us in many ways. It allows us to increase our knowledge and understanding of many things that are too small or too far to be seen by our eyes. Observe these images. Do you know where these images are taken from? What could be the device used to capture these images? Click the info button to find out. The images were taken using ultrasound technology. Ultrasound is a sound with a frequency greater than the upper limit of human being. This technique is used in medical field to visualize muscles, tendons, and many internal organs. They are also used to visualize a fetus during pregnancy. Ultrasound scans are performed by medical healthcare professionals called sonographers.